YouTube is a platform for all. Do not say that it's for the Gen Z or for the Gen Alpha. It's for you. Yes, I'm talking to you if you're up to 40. All right, so why should you start a YouTube channel? Who is YouTube for? Who is YouTube for? I think if you're 40 and above, you need to start a YouTube channel. Yeah. I know that at age 40, you have had experiences. You have made mistakes. You have learned from your mistakes. You have seen things. You have won some battles. You have won some awards and all that. And so you have stories to tell. You have a message. From your errors, you have also made errors. So from your errors, you have learned. You have learned what to do and what not to do. And so if you come out, if you start a YouTube channel, you have something to say. You have a message. You can lead people to do the right things. So what are you waiting for? Because you are 40, you know better, you have a message, you have stories to tell, you have lessons. You need to come into this platform. YouTube is a platform for all. Do not say that it's for the Gen Z or for the Gen Alpha. It's for you. Yes, I'm talking to you if you're up to 40. You have a story. You have experienced things. You have failed. For me, I've failed many times, and then it helped me to know how to, do better. And so if I come up here to tell you now, this is what I did and I failed, and I've learned my lessons, I know that somebody out there will learn something from me. That's one of my reasons of coming here. I'm well above 40, and I've got experience, and I've won some battles. I've won some, and I've lost some, and I know there are many people out there. And so if I come out here to share my story, the young ones could learn from me, and they could, even some older people that might not have been in my situation can also learn from me. So why keep it to myself? Why keep it to myself? If you know that you are in your 40s, jump into YouTube. Go and open a YouTube channel. Go and start a channel. Share your stories, share your wins, share your losses, and help the world, help people around you. So I'm talking to you if you're 40 and above, or you're about that means you're in the middle age. What are you waiting for? People are making mistakes every day. You have started businesses, you would have lost some, you would have won some. So please, jump into YouTube and help people. Jump into YouTube and do something. Jump into that YouTube and start talking. You have a message, all right? I'm rooting for you. You don't have to come in the way you are. You must not know everything. You must not know editing skill. You will learn on it. I'm still learning. In fact, I'll share my story in the next video. I'm going to share my story, my struggles in this space, how I've struggled and what I've come to learn in it. I'm going to share my story in this journey. I actually started and I stopped halfway, but I'm here again. I'm here bigger, stronger, and better. So if you're in your 40s, if you're above 40, jump into YouTube now. And you have a message. Stop saying I don't know anything. No, you must not be an expert, but by virtue of your age, by virtue of the fact that you have stayed on earth for 40 years, you have experienced things, you have learned lessons, you have your story, you have a story to tell, you have a message. Jump into YouTube, and together we'll make the world a better place. See you in my next video. I'm going to be sharing my stories. Ensure that you don't miss that video. See you. I'm rooting for you. Bye.